Welcome to my channel. Protein is the essential building block of our body, and everyone knows how important it is to get enough of it from food. However, this can be a challenge. That's why I've put together some helpful tips to increase your protein intake without making drastic changes to your diet or spending extra money. Why you should add protein-rich foods to your diet? Protein helps satisfy hunger and keeps you feeling full throughout the day. This reduces unnecessary snacking, stabilizes insulin levels, and curbs uncontrollable food cravings. It's also essential for building muscle mass, making protein-rich foods a must if you exercise, even lightly. Protein also promotes healthy, youthful skin, strong bones, a faster metabolism, and weight loss. It's important to diversify your protein sources to provide your body with a full range of amino acids. Here's how to easily increase your protein intake, even with a busy schedule. Eat eggs more often. Gone are the days when eggs were demonized for cholesterol concerns. 2 boiled eggs make the perfect protein-packed breakfast, providing 12 grams of lean, easily digestible protein along with iron, choline, and nerve-supporting vitamin B12. Eggs also pair well with salads or even steak. Don't fear protein powder. Protein powder isn't just for bodybuilders. Whey protein isolate is flavorless and can boost the protein content of your oatmeal. Add protein powder to smoothies, pancakes, or waffles. Use whole grain or alternative flours to maximize nutrients and enjoy unique flavors. Add tahini-based dressings to salads. Tahini, made from sesame seeds, offers a nutty flavor and 5 grams of protein per 2 tablespoons. It's versatile for sauces, baked goods, and salad dressings, while also being rich in calcium, magnesium, manganese, and vitamins B12 and B6. Explore tofu and soy options. Tofu is a versatile protein source, perfect as a snack or a base for stir-fries, omelets, and smoothies. Edamame, young soybeans, are another great option for salads or side dishes. Keep a bag of frozen edamame handy. Keep chickpeas on hand. Chickpeas are protein-rich, with nearly 20% of their weight made up of protein. They make soups heartier, pair well with rice for a protein-packed side dish, and can replace chips for a healthier snack. Cottage cheese and yogurt are your best friends. Low-fat cottage cheese and unsweetened Greek yogurt are versatile protein powerhouses. Use them in sweet or savory recipes. Greek yogurt works well in dressings, waffles, or desserts with honey and chia seeds. Other protein-rich foods to include in your diet: whole grain pasta, beef or chicken jerky, pistachios, pumpkin seeds, tuna, beans. Mix and match these options to improve your diet, and your body will thank you. Adding more protein to your diet doesn't have to be complicated. Combine these simple tips to create balanced meals, and your body will thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Write in comments what protein food you like. See you in the next video.